Hi everyone, today I want to discuss about enolate chemistry. By using these enolates, what are the reactions are involved in our chemistry? Consider acetone. In that this CH3 and CH3, I wrote this is separate as a CH2 and H. These three hydrogens are acidic in nature due to this C double bond O group act as a electron withdrawing group with respect to inductive effect. After loss of this hydrogen, it is converted into this form. This will undergo resonance and convert into CH3C. This will be comes to here. This will be delocalized and convert to O minus, and this is double bond CH2. This is called enolate. This is called carbanion. Okay, so these enolates act as a maybe nucleophile or act as a some base also. Now this enolate chemistry or enolate reaction, how it enolate form, this may be under basic condition takes place, otherwise acidic condition. Enolate reactions are maybe takes place in the basic or acidic medium. Now enols or enolates are excellent nucleophiles. Enols or enolates are very good nucleophile and participate in the variety of reactions. Example 1, halogenation. Generally keep in mind whatever the reactions are involved with enolate, to easy remember purpose I am giving the only names of the reaction which are involved through enolate or enol. So one is halogenation. In this halogenation we have one is called iodoform reaction. Second one is HVZ reaction, Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction to prepare the alpha haloacetic acid. The second one is deuteration reaction. This deuteration reaction generally we are using to generate alpha deuterocarbonyl compound. Alpha deuterocarbonyl compound. You consider alpha deuterocarbonyl compound to generate, we are using this deuteration reaction. Another one, third one is alkylation reaction. What is the alkylation reaction? In this we are using as a base. That bases are maybe RO minus, otherwise LDA, lithium diisopropylamide. Or maybe this alkoxide ion, or maybe methyl group or ethyl group, otherwise tertiary butyl group. In this one any we can use as a or, O minus is as it is. Next, which type of alkylation we are using? That maybe one is alkylation of malonic esters, or another one is alkylation of acetoacetic ester. These are the reaction using for alkylation. Then the third one next fourth one is condensation reaction. What are the condensation reaction involved through enolate? One is the main, I can write as a ABCD also. Here aldol reaction. This aldol condensation reaction. Generally aldol condensation reaction can undergo in acidic medium also, basic medium also. That's why I want to write in basic medium also it takes place, or acidic medium also it takes place. This aldol condensation reaction is, one is self aldol condensation, second one is cross aldol condensation, and the third one is intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Another one is dehydration takes place here. Okay, the next one is B. The reaction name is called Nogel condensation reaction. Then C is Michael addition reaction. And Robinson ring annulation reaction. These are also condensation reaction. Next, D. Claisen ester condensation reaction. This is one of the variant of Dickmann condensation reaction. Next, E is other reactions. Other condensation reaction. These are other condensation reactions are one is Perkin reaction, Reformatsky reaction. Another one is Staub reaction, etc. These are undergo through enolate reaction for competitive exam. Very important in this reaction. What is the intermediate? Like this, ask the question, or what is the nucleophile? They may ask the question. And this reaction undergo through acidic medium or basic medium. Everything is very important for competitive exam. So you have to remember what are the reaction undergo through enolization or enol as a intermediate or nucleophile. These are only the reaction through enolate will undergo as a reaction. Thank you very much for watching this video.